Nyumba cia mauvoo ni ciendeka kwivathana na kuneenea cia maundu makonete ita vala inena cha thini cha kukunulia maovisaa ma GSU kana cadet kaunti ya Nakuru. President William Ruto wa sekanave vata eneianda kivathokonyo makakwatiania kwikithia kana mauvoo ni wasiokithia na kunenga ita mwanya wo mathukume Lina Mosangi na mauvoo
Musumbe no kueleza kana maovisaa ma kitengo kia Ita chamaikithite kana nthi na muo weta maundu makonete Ita ni maira kuweka kuwetangwa na kulikilwa ni ateti atongoi aandiki ma mauvoo kati wa andu angi.
We must be sensitive and keep off matters military in random talk. My administration and myself as Commander-in-Chief will defend by all means possible our military as they guarantee our stability and our development.
Atauga tengo kike itakwisa munene wa Ita ni madha na kuendea kutumania mauvoo nduma na kuikithikana miao ya katiba kanze ine atiwa.
Men and women before you have been well prepared for today's and future professional and career demands. Your Excellency, in this regard, the Kenya Defence Forces appreciates your continuous guidance and support, which has enabled us to remain on track in the modernization of the Kenya Defence Forces capabilities in all spheres of warfare. On our part, we commit to uphold the constitutional mandate and to contribute to the security and prosperity of our beloved nation.
National prosperity is built on the pillars of peace, good governance, and inclusive development. Our defense forces are key to upholding these values. Their presence ensures stability, attracts investment, and inspires both national and global confidence.
Utena ke musumbe no wete utongoi wake ta kuendea kuikithia kana muvea wa oiti ni wa ilangwa.
Also commend the leadership of these military facilities for ensuring that they are SHA accredited, and therefore those who come to use these facilities benefit from the digital infrastructure that is already available under SHA to members of the public and also members of the public service. Our growing network of KDF hospitals, strategically distributed nationwide, reflect the evolving role of military in safeguarding human security and well-being.
Kuripoti ya mauvoo ni Lina Mosangi.